Hey guys, today we're going to be installing a SiriMoto visor for a 10th Gen Civic. So you're going to want to start by taking an alcohol swab or maybe some kind of cleaning agent just to clean the area that you're going to be putting them on. You're also going to want to take a tool like this, flathead, whatever you want to do, and just get up in this piece right here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but you're going to pull that down and then go back up a little bit further and pull some more down. So you want to make sure you see the white metal back there when you're putting this in. That way you know you got it in the right spot, and then it should slide fairly easy anyway to move. One little pro tip is you're going to want to take these little posts. If you don't like the bump sticking out of the plastic holes, kind of like that, when you push it in, this expands that plastic piece. But if you don't like that, just pull this apart and then put your post in the hole, put this on the bottom, and then snap them together. We found that worked the best, and it gives it more of a flush look. And you're going to take the tape, peel off an end, and you can either peel it off like that or just peel the whole thing off. Press firmly. And the other thing is, if you got dark interior, notice you can barely see the glass or the hole. So it does help to have the door open when you're lining everything up, or have some kind of light back behind this to help you see where the holes are. Make sure you want the door open on this one. These donuts don't exactly fit the best on them. You can put the flat piece down towards it, push it on the post, try and snap it on there as best you can, and then you can also take your flathead or screwdriver and split those prongs apart to give it a better hold. But if you look at it, it's nice and flush, doesn't stick up, catch on something, easily rip out. So that's it for you guys today. I'm going to finish up this one. It took us about 15 minutes. The hardest part was getting those posts to snap in flush, but if you guys do like I said, it'll work out perfect. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be coming back with more videos soon.